Okay, I'm going to sing I Love You 5 by Never Shout Never. I may mess up, but you know, I don't care. Like, comment, subscribe. Here we go. Love you 1, a 2, a 3, should we do? I love you 4, as more as I can afford. I love someday I'm gonna say the truth. I love 5. I'm walking around trying to figure out how I'm feeling all these feelings that I'm feeling now. So on my mind, but I wanna play it. I love you 1, a 2, a 3, should we do? I love you 4, there's more than I can afford. I love you 5, someday I'm gonna say the truth. I love you 5, more. 4, I really say 1,000. Okay, yeah, I cannot sing it, but if you guys keep singing like a Paul or whatever, a fuzzy thing, something else. I have a cat in my lap. Hey, look at this. See? Hey. Mm. See? It's a cat that does tricks. Damn. I don't really like cats that much, but you know, this one's fluffy and fat. So yeah. So I was going to sing I Love You 5, but never said never. But you know, this cat, he lets you do whatever you want. Like, hey, Theodore. Come on. Hey, so yeah, the amazing Theodore. Not funny at all, but you know, I'll take it. Whatever. Oh, this is gonna be the worst video ever on YouTube, probably. It is not funny, not anything. So yeah, enjoy. Whatever. Bye, say bye to Theodore.